Hi guys, welcome back to Zara's channel. Today we are going to make tomato sauce. We're going to start picking the fresh tomatoes. So we have 1-inch cinnamon stick, some onion, 3 clove garlics, and some ginger. Now we're going to blend these ingredients. Now our organic tomatoes are nicely washed. Now we have to put them in the blender. So now we put our tomatoes in the blender. Now we have to blend the tomatoes. So now we blend the tomatoes. Now we have to put it in the pan. Now we put the tomatoes into the blender again. We are just putting it the second time because we don't have enough room to fit all the tomatoes at once. Now we've blended all the tomato, and now I'm going to set for 8 minutes time. Cook under medium heat for 8 minutes. I have added nutmeg, cloves, and chili powder. So now this is almost cooked. So before there was like water bubbles on it, so you have to cook until the water bubbles disappear. So yeah, that's mostly it. Now I've bought some jars to preserve the sauce. I'm going to put the jars in the hot water so it can boil and all the germs will die. Now I have sterilized my jars, and here's the sauce. And now I am going to put the sauce into the bottles. So now I have poured the sauce into the bottles. Now I'm going to seal them. And now all our tomato sauce is done. Bye. See you next time on Zara's Kingdom.